Hey everybody, it is Memorial Day weekend and we are taking a little bit of time today to go check out a trail up north of us in a town called Cedar Rapids. It is part of the Great American Rail Trail that goes all the way across the entire country, or it will someday when it's completed. And we're going to go see what it's all about. Okay, we are ready to start our ride. We are at Tate Cummins Memorial Park, which is just south of Cedar Rapids, Iowa. The trail is right behind us there, as you can see, people riding their bikes on it. We're going to hit the trail and see how this looks.
Take a detour because the bridge was closed, but look at what they did for the bikes up here.
Right, well, we had a great ride. We went 12 and a half miles. It took us about an hour and a half. And we went from here, from Tate Cummins Park, up to Cedar Lake in Cedar Rapids. And just had a wonderful time. The bugs are out, but we did okay with those, right? They weren't too bad.
Just put your helmet down when you hit the helmet.
Yeah, and we saw lots of people on the trail. We saw joggers, walkers, we saw a woman in a wheelchair, and a lot of bicycles and families out, so that's pretty cool. Nice busy trail, but not so busy that you wouldn't want to be on it. Just a really good time. What a wonderful trail. right, well, actually we're not quite done yet. We had so much fun on that trail. We're going to drive up to Waterloo, which is where the northern end of the trail is. That's where it ends. And we found a campground. We called them up. They said they've got room. So we're going to go up there and hopefully check out this trail at the north end. So that's what we're up to now. So we'll have some more to show you after this. It's tomorrow morning. We are getting ready. We're making some breakfast. Check this out. And just like that, breakfast is gone. We're going to go off and start our day. All right, so we are at the northernmost point of the Cedar Valley Nature Trail. This is the starting point, right by Interstate 380 behind me. And we are in Evansdale, which is just a little bit south of Waterloo, Iowa. And the trail starts off with this wonderful bridge over the Cedar River. What's really nice is as soon as you get across the bridge, you lose all the highway noise. And you end up in this canopy of trees and leaves and nature. Really beautiful. Okay, well, 12.5 miles biking yesterday, 9.5 today. Was that enough riding for you for this weekend?
No.
No?
I want to go mountain biking.
Mountain biking?
Yeah.
All right, where at?
Janesville, Iowa.
Janesville, Iowa. Okay. We're going to head north a little bit farther and check this place out.
Yay!
It's out here a ways, isn't it? Pretty country out here. Okay, we're here. We made it. That was quite a ways off the beaten path, but we're at the trailhead now. Shannon, you want to tell everybody where we're at and how we got here? Okay.
All right, so on the map, we started out in Iowa City. We drove up to Cedar Rapids, and then we did a little bit of the trail from there. And then after, what did we do, like 12 miles just north of Cedar Rapids, and then got back in the van, and then we went up to just south of Waterloo in a place called Evansdale. We camped overnight and then went down a little bit and did part of the trail going south from the top of it. That was about 9.5 miles. And then this is Trail Forks, by the way. Here is Ingawanis Woodlands. And that's what we're gonna do today. Woo!
I'm okay. Wow, what a ride. Check this out. Oh, it's not dripping. Oh, wait, will that drip? There you go. Can you see that?
Oh, yeah.